Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber. Here it is Monday morning, and I have my wing mold all finished, and we're going to take that mold off for you. We got a guest in the shop. What's up, John? We got Dad here this morning, and
I've been pulling my hair out.
yeah, Dad's been working on this landing gear. We got our 1/4 inch aluminum bulkheads cut, and we have our mock-up for the spar. Now Paul in Texas has our spar finished, and we're almost, as soon as we get it from him, we're going to bolt it in here, and this part will be finished and we can make up the fuselage. But what Dad's been doing is getting all this stuff mounted on them bulkheads from our mock-up. Everything's been going kind of smooth. He's got it all working. He had to do some re-engineering. We had to make different air cylinders because he found a better way to make them, and we found some better O-rings. And what he's using now is he's using brass tubing, as a matter of fact, and they're working pretty good. But he's got them mounted pretty in the back where they pivot, and then they go right through the middle of our spar, and right in between these two pieces here to where it don't touch them. And it's going to work pretty good. Here, let's show them the back where you got them mounted. Then he made them deals come out to where there's a bolt hole and they'll just pivot. And they go right through the middle of that spar, so that's going to work out pretty good. We was kind of worried about them hitting that spar. And he was thinking about making air cylinders stand up this way, and there was just no way to do it. We couldn't get enough travel to make them work. So we had to go through the center still, but it's going to work out all right. Just got us another little lightning hole in there, and I think it's working out pretty good. But I've been working on this mold all weekend, and past week, as a matter of fact. And we're going to take it apart. I'm going to start on these wing tips right there. Dad took his hammer, or my hammer, and gave me his. Here's that. I got some of that stuff kind of started. Wow. Bang it. There's that one. And there's some Bondo I had to put on my plug. For some reason that Bondo pops right out, but it'll clean off. It'll come off of there. Man, took a chunk of that wood with it. Where'd my bucket of water go? There it is over there, my John. I'm going to soak that in there for just a minute and let that soak up some water, and it'll come right off. What did that?
I don't know, it looks like the paint stuck to your...
To the balsa wood. I put a coat of resin on there, but I didn't glass it. That's all right. That's no biggie. I don't care about that plug. I care about this mold. Okay, okay, let me get... Here, Dad, let's take this front off first.
Okay.
Stop there and pull it out.
Oh, okay, I see.
See that? Now this is going to be the mold for my leading edge slat. That came out pretty good. Alright, now we can take ends off. Okay, dang pushy people. Same thing. A little bit of foam. That's real good. Yeah, that came out real nice. All them edges. That line came out really nice. Now this purple is my mold release. That's that part off. It always sticks to your resin. I don't know why, but it always does. But it washes right off with water. And that came out good. Alright. Okay, let's
You're pretty done with it.
sit over here. Now this one's liable to be the bugger. Well, I guess it wasn't too bad.
There's a lift up on it.
Good. Sorry, Dylan. Sorry about that. That was a little rough popping off of there. But, oh, looks pretty good. We'll avoid there, no big deal. Well, my edges came out really good. Man, Dad, that wore you out. That last little bit was a doozy.
I get real nervous when we're taking the motor apart.
But, man, all them edges came out really good. Alright. Well, folks, there you have it. We are trucking right along. And we had people asking about our where we're going to fly it and stuff. And Breckenridge, Texas, on the weekend of October 22nd. Here's that pill ply. My Pardal, that mold release. They actually pull out of there kind of like cellophane. But the funny stuff is you can scrub this stuff with lacquer thinner and it won't touch it. But hit it with water and it just melts. Just washes right off with the water and a sponge, but some of it looks like cellophane or saran wrap, you know. But we're going to fly it in Breckenridge, Texas, the weekend of the 22nd, which is Thursday. And it'll last through the weekend. And remember I said bring your barbecue grills? I don't think you're going to need to. I got a guy that's going to feed everybody. Randy Brown says he's going to feed everybody. It ain't going to be hamburgers and hot dogs either. He's going to do it up right. Show everybody some Texas hospitality. Everybody's welcome. Bring your jets. And we got this cleared with AMA. The only catch is we have to shut the airfield down when we fly the bomber, which I don't think we'll have a problem with that. I don't think there'll be anyone wanting to be flying when this is in the air. And but it's all cleared with AMA. And Breckenridge, Texas, the whole town's excited about it. And we're going to have a good time. So, until then, you guys behave yourselves. And we'll see you back at the shop.